Hey guys, Weathercast 100. Right now you're looking at an image of the Atlantic satellite. Right now we have Tropical Storm Lisa in this area right here. And as you can see, it's not very well organized. Winds are at, I think, 45 miles an hour. You can see right here the remnants of Igor moving up towards. Actually, I think this image is a bit old, but you know, I think it's about like 3 hours old. But right here you can see Invest 95 where it was. I think this was yesterday. Actually, yesterday's satellite image. Sorry for the lag, but you know. Been kind of busy lately, but right here you can see Invest 95L. That is going to move off this way and probably become Matthew, and the models are taking it towards the Yucatan and then moving it off this way and taking it up in here and then moving it off like that, and it makes it a really powerful hurricane in this area where I just drew that circle. So right off of Tampa, it makes it a really powerful hurricane, but I would say anyone along the Gulf Coast really needs to be watching for Matthew here. Right, currently Invest 95L. But Lisa right here, no danger to anyone, should be dissipating fairly soon, might make it up to hurricane status, but I'm not sure. I expect right now this season's gonna shift over to this area, just about like in this general area. This season should continue, maybe 4 to 5 more storms total. That should be about it for this year, because it'll be more sparsely populated as you start getting cold fronts coming down from systems, and then I'll start getting shear in and start setting up the winter pattern. But also some of those cold fronts that'll start to stall out in the Gulf of Mexico. You might see a system spin up here and move into Texas or Louisiana or Florida or any of the Gulf Coast states. So basically the people that need to be watching right now is the southeast coast and the entire Gulf Coast, and that's it right there. It's just the season's going to shift from out here to here, and that's basically what's going to happen. But it's pretty accurate to what I predicted for the season back in, I can't remember when I did that. I think that was August maybe. I said this is going to be a similar hurricane season to 2001, except for the fact that we're probably going to have more major hurricanes this year, which we've had 5 major hurricanes already. We'll probably have a good 2 more major hurricanes. And probably another 5 more named storms, and right now we have 11 named storms currently, and so that would bring it up to a total of 16 named storms by the end of the season, and I predicted anywhere from 14 to 15, so that's not bad, but there may be more than 16, maybe 17 possible. 17 definitely possible, as the season progresses. But right here you can see Lisa, tropical storm, expected to possibly become a hurricane later, and then downgrade, and then rapidly weaken. This should be the last African wave system to come off, as African waves will start coming off south, and they'll be more occluded, so to speak, until they get into the Caribbean, and they should start popping in this area, just like Invest 95L is. That should become Matthew, but we'll see where that goes. But like I said, the entire Gulf Coast needs to be watching Invest 95L, soon to be Matthew. Right now, guys, here is the projected path for Tropical Storm Lisa. And as you can see, it takes it off and upgrades it to a hurricane by 2 p.m. Thursday. But I'm not sure it'll make it to a hurricane because it's not looking too good on satellite right now, but it could. So we'll see what happens with that. Lisa is not a purely tropical system right now because an upper level low got entrained into it, and on satellite it even looks like it has a cold front trailing behind it, but it's probably just an occluded front. That was sparked off by the combination of Lisa and this upper level low. But basically, what the models are taking on Invest 95L, as you can see, is just off to this direction, strengthen it quite rapidly, and make it a major hurricane in the Gulf, which anyone along the Gulf Coast needs to be watching Invest 95L, soon to be Matthew, really closely. Well, alright guys, this is Weathercast 100.